So I'm going to show you how to adjust the speed over YouTube video on your smart TV. So with the video playing, just press the up button and then quickly press the up button again. And that's going to give you access to this menu where you can scroll left and right. So now what you want to do is go to the settings icon, select that, and then from that menu, scroll down to speed. It's going to be normal by default. But when you select that, you should see options. So the upper options will slow down your video speed by 0.75% or by half the speed or even by quarter the speed. Or the other side of normal is increasing the speed. So let's try and increase the speed to 2x. So you can see now the video is playing much quicker, everything is moving faster. If I select that again and go to a quarter of the speed, you can see now everything is much slower. All right. And then of course you can always go back to normal. So that's basically how to adjust video speed on your smart TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.